Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Timbami and
me, Yasavud Peter.
Great news. We are so elevated to inform you that SILKWAY International University is opening its study center here in the beautiful city of Shymkent.
Do you want to enhance your skills and ability? Statistics shows that there are a lot of you out there who are really concerned about where or how you can improve your speaking, grammar, pronunciation, listening, and vocabulary skills. Why go far, as the right place is here. At SILKWAY, we are ready to assist you with whatever challenges or difficulties that you might be going through concerning your English, with loads of amazing and entertaining tasks in a conducive and friendly teaching environment with a unique international program.
We aren't going to help you find yourself. We are going to help you make yourself, because we innovate, we lead, and we inspire.
An experience like any other awaits you here at SILKWAY Study Center. For more inquiries, leave a comment in the comment section or you call this number. We are waiting for you. SILKWAY Language Center, making a difference.